Zagorelo je nekaj pred 19. uro po lokalnem času. Požar je izbruhnil v prvem nadstropju večstanovanjske hiše in se hitro razširil tudi v višja nadstropja. Prebivalce v neposrednji bližini je zbudil dim, skozi katerega je bilo slišati klice na pomoč.
I had woke up and I realized I smell smoke, but I think it's my building that's on fire. Well, what had happened was it wasn't actually my building. It was a building across the street. So as I look, I see flames and I realize everybody's panicking. So I go down to see what's wrong, and obviously by the time I got downstairs, the fire had already escalated from one apartment to two to almost to three. All I see is a bunch of kids in the fire escape, cold and with no jacket, no pajamas, no nothing. All they really see is kids in shorts, no socks and nothing. I know they're cold, so obviously they're waiting for the firemen to save them, but in order for them to do that, they have to put the fire out.
Kids, screaming, help, help, help. It's sad, it's real sad.
V skoraj 100 let stari opečnati stavbi je bilo 12 stanovanj. Ko je izbruhnil požar, so mnogi ostali ujeti v zgradbi in jim kljub hitremu odzivu gasilcev ni bilo pomoči. Tokratni požar je bil najhujši po letu 1990, ko je prav tako v Bronxu, v klubu Happy Land, umrlo 87 oseb.
This is the worst fire tragedy we have seen in this city in at least a quarter century. Based on the information we have now, this will rank as one of the worst losses of life to a fire in many, many years. At this moment, based on preliminary information, and again, there will be more information coming in the next few hours, but based on the information now, I'm very sorry to report 12 New Yorkers are dead, including one child as young as 1 year old. There are 4 people critically injured who are fighting for their lives. Other serious injuries as well.
Z ognjenimi zublji na aveniji Prospekt, nedaleč od univerze Fordham in znamenitega živalskega vrta v Bronxu, se je spopadlo več kot 160 gasilcev. Ti ne izključujejo možnosti, da bi v pogoreli stavbi lahko našli še kakšno žrtev.
Based on the information we have now, at least 12 people were rescued and will survive. But the search of the building continues. So we know that even though it's horrible to report that 12 are dead already, we may lose others as well.
Čeprav so gasilci v New Yorku vajeni najhujših tragedij, se jih je prizor, na katerega so naleteli na kraju tragedije, močno dotaknil.
Fire department received this alarm at 9 minutes to 7 tonight, and the members responded within 3 minutes. Despite their heroic efforts, as the mayor said, we have a scene here in which 12 people have died and 4 are fighting for their lives. And in a department that's certainly no stranger to tragedy, we're shocked by this loss.
New York se ravno v teh dneh sooča z izjemno nizkimi temperaturami in močnim vetrom. Prav slednji naj bi vplival na razsežnost tragedije, saj so prebivalci ob požaru odpirali vrata in okna ter tako omogočili idealne pogoje za širjenje požara.